Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Sierra Chart Custom Studies. By the end, you'll know how to open your chart, access the Studies window, add a custom study, SAS Studies, and follow the on-screen steps to configure it clearly and confidently. Start by opening Sierra Chart Desktop and bringing up the chart you want to work with. Make sure the chart is visible and active so your changes apply to the correct window. If you use multiple monitors or detached charts, click directly on the chart you intend to modify to focus it. Next, right-click anywhere on the main chart area. A context menu will appear with several chart actions. From that menu, choose Studies. This opens the Studies window, which is where you manage everything related to indicators and custom tools on your chart. Inside the Studies window, look for the option to add a custom study. Select Add Custom Study. This brings up the list of custom studies that are already installed and available in your Sierra Chart setup. The exact list you see depends on what you or your provider have installed. If a particular study you expect is missing, it usually means it has not been installed yet in Sierra Chart. Once it is installed, it will appear here automatically. Now follow the on-screen procedure to add your chosen custom study. Typically, you will select the study from the list, then add it so it appears in the list of studies applied to the chart. With the study highlighted, use the Settings or Input sections to adjust parameters such as calculation length, source data, or smoothing. Use the Subgraphs area to set colors, line styles, and widths, and choose the region where the study should display, whether overlaid on price or in its own subgraph below. As you make changes, click Apply to preview the results on your chart without closing the window, and use OK when you are satisfied. If the study needs auto-scaling, enable it so the chart scales appropriately and remains readable. After applying, confirm the custom study is visible and updating with live or historical data. If it looks compressed or hidden, check the assigned region, scaling, and visibility settings in the same Studies window. You can always reopen Studies, select the custom study, and fine-tune inputs at any time, or remove it if you no longer need it. That's it. You open Sierra Chart Desktop, right-click the chart, went into Studies, chose Add Custom Study, and followed the on-screen procedure to configure it. With those fundamentals, you can repeat the process for any additional custom studies you use and keep your charts clean, consistent, and ready for analysis.